cruising down the street and we sitting on 20, yo. Hit the fucking corner store, about to buy a 40, bro. Yeah. And we go into that winter ball and we gonna touch down in the city where I'm from. And that 206 loud. It's staying where I'm spraying. You know you can't even be playing hating on my game every day. When I try to say on my grind, 206 where I stay. Yeah, that's all the time. PBDB, I'm staying in my own lane like Beast Mode. Yeah, we doing our old things. Yeah, we keep it low key. Couple switches lit every day. I don't got a fucking bitch about what I got and what I have and where I stay. Cause this shit can happen just like every day. In every way, we gotta stay in our lane. Beast mode on the motherfucking paint. And I would pass it to JP, but he's not here, he's upstairs, lane 3, yeah. And we about to go to winter ball, splash on these haters, yeah. It's like Niagara Falls, And I'm about to bounce off the wall, off that energy, hit the Hennessy off the balls. And she on my balls, when I gotta floss. Diamond flossing in the air when I gotta cost. About 200 for the bottle, you already know. And I'm flossing in my flashy clothes and flashy hoes and getting money every day. Today is a different day. We gotta ball out, get this paper every way. I got the little fine bitch, and no I don't, cause that is the trick. I gotta post some other one bad bro. Take it to the side, yeah we over bro. Hey, 206 shit. I'ma get back, stack a grip in a bitch.
Yeah, you know that's a fucking freestyle. We make this shit look easy. PBTV, do your fucking thing.
On the loud pack, you already know she about to bounce back, no clothes on. You know what I'm talking about. Take it off and put it in my mouth. Yeah, not that shit. I don't eat that purple shit. I'm on my pink tip, and you know that fucking shit when I see it, man. I'ma grab it till I get it, man. Hey. We on my grind, 206 in my own lane, that's all the time. So don't try to play your hate, cause you'll get beat up so quick you can't even hate or relate to what I have to say. Cause every day is a different day, yeah.
Hey, we do this shit like every single damn day. We up in the studio, doing our thing, bass freestyling on this bitch. Yeah, you know the only mission is just to get rich. We're just having fun doing it. So, I guess we'll just see you next time. Alright, bye.
Flip it out.